Hey, what's up guys? Alex over here. Welcome back to a quick video. And on the previous video, I did show you a little bit of maintenance on this cassette on my Polygon 6QT8. But now, while I was able to fix it and adjust the cassette and everything, quite a bit in the middle of the cassette, I still didn't like the shifting that much. And this is what I find out. Before I show you, please go ahead and consider subscribing, turn the notification bell on if you haven't done so. If you want to support the channel, check the affiliate links down in the description. And other than that, let's get right into it. I'm on the 8th cog right now, and check over here in a little bit ago. This is what's gonna happen. It's gonna be right here. Check it out. I'm gonna see if I can do a slow-mo in there for you. Look at that. Look at that. Can you see this? Can you spot this right here? After further investigation on what was going on, look at this tooth right there. I don't know if you can clearly see it, but this tooth is bent out this way. So I'm gonna try to bend it back in there before actually changing the cassette, because I wanna use this cassette for a little longer than expected, because I don't have money to change this thing right now. So look at that. It kind of gets cut up in there where it's not aligned, and that was all the jumping. Besides, of course, the lining up the cassette. So I'm just gonna straighten that up. Softly, because I don't want to break the tooth. But other than that, that's gonna take care of the problem. So what can I give you from this? This is what I learned. If you're still having troubles, just do a further investigation on it for further troubleshooting, and you will find the cause of this. I still go ahead and went and order a chain wear tool. It should be here tomorrow, but I don't think it's gonna be the chain anymore. I mean, I might end up replacing it, which is freaking expensive. They're like $60-something, if not higher, for a KMC. So, oh my God, whatever. But it's gotta be done regardless. So again, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, turn the notification bell on as well. I've been thinking about the buy me a cup of coffee thing. If you want, the link is in there. I probably won't mention it anymore. It'll still be there. If you want to, that's fine. If you don't want to, I don't want to make you buy me anything, because like I said, I'm not doing this for a living. And it's not fair if I'm not pulling in all the, as many videos as I would like out there, like I explained in a previous video during when my wife was in quarantine at the end of December. So I'm going to explain a little bit in there. I'm still gonna try to make at least one video per week, but I'm not gonna guarantee it. So again, the link is in there. I'm not gonna be asking for it anymore. I'm just gonna do whatever I can. And other than that, thank you guys for being there, for being loyal. Everybody that has given me cups of coffee, thank you guys. I appreciate it very much. But yeah, I'm not gonna be talking about that anymore. What I will ask you to do, if you can, is check the affiliate links. Even if you don't end up buying that product, once you click the link, open Amazon. If you end up buying something else, I still get a little bit of a share on that one. So that will actually help if you like. But you don't have to. Other than that, check out my other videos. That's it for this one. And I'll see you on the trails. Goodbye. Oh, by the way, yeah, today is January the 8th. Probably gonna take that away. You probably will not be seeing this video for at least a week and a half from now. So yeah, disregard that Christmas tree. Happy New Year. Let's ride.